Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at Point Realty, and I am coming at you today with your September market update. Pardon my little cheat sheet here. Just want to kind of give everybody an idea of where we are right now. I know there's a lot of speculation about the market slowing down and days on market going up and whatnot, so I do want to chat a little bit about that. So the important thing to know is that year over year, we are still in a positive trajectory as far as the average sales price is going. So for example, at this time last year in Tarrant County, the average sales price was $378,000. And right now in Tarrant County, or for September of this year, it was $434,000. So let's keep in mind that although we are seeing some transitioning happening this year, the market is, I don't want to say it's slowing, because it's not declining, but the growth is slowing. But we are still in a positive by a pretty good percentage year over year. And you'll see that in every county, that is still happening in a positive manner. We are seeing, however, that days on market is going up. Okay, so in September of last year, the average days on market was 20 days, and this year it was 28. So that is an increase, but the reason that that's happening is because the inventory is higher. Okay, so at this time last year, there were 10,000 homes for sale. In September of this year, there were almost 16,000 homes for sale. So that is a very big difference, and that is naturally going to cause the days on market to increase a little bit because you have more homes to choose from. So the thing to keep in mind though is 28 days as an average is still fantastic. That's really not a lot of days on market. So what we're not seeing is every single house selling in 3 days. We are still seeing houses sell in 3 days, and we are still seeing houses sell in less than 30 days. We're still seeing things happen quickly. However, it's not every single house the way that it was there for a while. Now, the interesting thing too is number of homes for sale went up, number of homes actually sold and closed on went down. Okay, so that for you sellers, what I want you to know is we had a point in time where you didn't really have to do a lot to your house when you put it on the market. We needed it clean and we needed it show ready, but at the same time, we didn't have to do a lot of painting. We had buyers willing to do a lot more compromising. What I'm seeing right now is that if you have a wall that needs to be painted, if you have flooring that needs to be, shampoos, carpeted shampoos carpeted shampoos, what is the words coming out of my mouth? Shampoo your carpets or any sort of repairs that are real obvious to the naked eye. Those things do need to be completed before you put your house on the market. Buyers are not willing to or having to compromise as much as they were, especially with the interest rates going up. So, all that to say, no matter what the media is telling you, it is still a good time to sell. It is still a good time to buy. You just have to make sure you have the right people advising you on what you should be buying, what you should be paying for it, and how you should be listing it. So we would love to be those people. You can reach us any way you want, by phone, send us a message on one of our social media platforms, shoot us an email, come by the office. We'd love to see you. And I cannot wait to catch up with you. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great week.